Managing blocked contacts on your iPhone 16 helps protect you from unwanted messages and calls while maintaining your privacy and peace of mind. Here's how to block or unblock contacts in the new iOS Messages app. The first method we're going to demonstrate is through Settings. To do this, go to the home screen and then tap on the Settings icon. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Apps. Find Messages from the list of apps and then tap on it to proceed. Now in the Messages app settings, scroll towards the SMS MMS section. Here, find and tap on the Blocked Contacts option. To block a contact, tap Add New, and then select the desired contact from your list. The blocked list will then be updated with the new contact added. Should you wish to unblock a contact, you can do so by simply tapping on Edit and then tap the Remove button. Then you can either tap on Unblock or swipe left on Contact and then tap on Unblock. Alternatively, you can block and unblock a contact straight from the Messages app. To do this, open Messages and then launch the conversation with the contact that you'd like to block. Now tap the contact name at the top and then tap the Info button. Scroll down and tap Block this caller. Read the warning prompt and then tap Block Contact to confirm. Blocking a contact prevents both calls and messages from reaching you. This can help provide peace of mind and reduces distractions from any unwanted person. And that's how you manage blocked contacts on your iPhone 16. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more smartphone tutorials and troubleshooting guides.